Alright guys, so you saw the stack of papers that I have. Now we're going to grab some things for embellishments, okay? I'm not going to go through and match embellishments to papers. What I am actually going to do is take the photos, give it kind of a look-see to kind of refresh my mind on colors and such things. And then we're going to flip through this bad boy. And add the things that I think would go well. And maybe not necessarily go well, but things that might be useful. Like this has a lot of gold stars in it. This is one that I have combined into something else before. This one too, I think that was part of the Never Ending kit. So things that I can pull out and use would be really great. That's another combo one. Pull out a couple of these flat bad boys, because flat ones are always good stickers to have. Let's see, any other ones of these that I want to pull out? It's got some words on it. And maybe like all of the jelly bean soup ones that I still have in my stash. Alright, so those are the stickers and things that I'm going to add to my little kit. Maybe some more. Maybe just a few more. Alright. So here we have a bunch of things. That one's a really colorful, fun one. We got that sticker book. Like, is there anything on here that's just screaming, add me to the pile? I don't know if anything is really... I got some of those. It's kind of hollering at me a little bit. We got trash can stickers. Those are definitely not hollering at me to put in that pile though. A little bit of washi. Sure, why not? Why not the washi? I'm into some puffy stickers. That's a lot about summer fun. I don't know how much summer fun. These Rosie Studios I should probably pull out. We got those. Got some stars. Probably not the Halloween stuff. I'm probably not going to scrapbook Halloween stuff right now. Got those. maybe some of these. And I think that's where I'm going to call it for embellishments. Now, I do have a little drawer thing that is just sitting over here in the dream box. It's this thing that's drawers, and it holds tickets and labels and words and things like this. This will go into the card itself. So we've got the embellishments now. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.